Today we are going to be making overnight oats. We're going to show you 4 different flavour combinations. It's a really nice, easy, simple recipe that you can make a few for the week, pop them in jars, pop them in the fridge, grab and go and take them to uni. They'll keep you full all day. And we are going to start by showing you our base recipe.
So for your base today, what you're going to need are some oats. So we'll add them to your bowl. Some chia seeds, a pinch of cinnamon, and some milk. So this milk can be plant-based or dairy, it's whatever you prefer. So just adding that in, we're gonna mix it all together. And it might look a little bit runny now, but the oats will absorb the liquid later on. So when that looks all mixed together, that's pretty much your base done. So it's nice and simple. From here, we're gonna show you how to add your flavour combinations.
To start, we are going to do the choc peanut butter variation. This is a personal favourite of mine. So I'm gonna add in some chocolate bits, some peanut butter, and our unsalted peanuts, and just give this one a really nice stir. So Chelsea, if you want to show us how to do the apple and sultana variation.
Okay, so for our apple and sultana, we have got some grated apple that we're going to add in. And then we have some sultanas. And just a little bit of orange zest. So we'll add that on top. And again, we're gonna mix this together so it's all nice and combined. What's your next one that you've got to make?
So the next one I've got here is the carrot cake. So what I'm adding in here is our carrots. We've got some desiccated coconut, some sultanas, and some walnuts. And again, combining this so it's all nice and mixed together. And for our last flavour combination, we have a berry.
Okay, so for our berries, you can pick any seasonal berries if they're in season. They can be nice and cheap for you, or you can buy frozen berries as well. We're gonna add our sultanas again. And then today we've got some fresh strawberries, some fresh blueberries, and some raspberries here. Now when I mix this together, you can try and keep them whole or you can smush them up together so it's nice and yummy. So we'll mix those all together. Okay.
So now that we've got our 4 flavour combinations, so here we've even used some fresh berries. You can use frozen berries depending on the season, and you're still getting that great nutritional benefit, and you can really change it up depending on your flavour preference.
Yeah, so you can choose any fruits or nuts and seeds that you want, just add them to the base recipe, and we hope you enjoy.